Let's double check what's going on now with the Avalanche. AVAX USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. Right, guys, I believe the Avalanche can hit the new all-time high. So, and new all-time high, it's not something like crazy moon boy target. No, it's just $166 for Avalanche, and from now it's like 700%, 742%. Just in a few days, the virtual token, which already pumped like crazy, perform 500%. So why the Avalanche can't pump 700% to hit the new all-time high? Of course, it's possible. Now it's 1984 around zero level. So you remember this fee we tracked since I don't know, since 2023, I guess, because I marked the top here. We formed the correction 27 block, pump it to 2.61 level by FIB, and crash it down again till penny to 27 block. So this block, personally for me, is relevant like accumulation. By magic, right? We dump it on that Donald Trump tariffs. We dump it exactly once again to 27 level. And I double check, maybe it's just only on the Binance. So here, 852, the lowest point. Just double check on a Bybit. Avalanche on a Bybit here. The lowest point, 845, even lower than on a Binance. It's kind of weird. On OKX, it was also the dump to 834. So everybody who complained about a Binance, just on other exchanges, right, the Avalanche dump it even more. So maybe the problem not with the Binance, because everybody shilled this Atom to 1 cent. Maybe the Atom just some poo coin and nobody wanna buy in it because the order book was empty. So we can dump even to zero on any token, guys. If in order book just empty orders, empty limit orders, no liquidity, no one buying it. That's why even the BTC, if now someone press sell by market some huge amount of money of BTC, and there will be no limit orders to buy, and everybody just sit and wait, we can crash even to zero because no liquidity, no orders to buy. Of course, the market makers want when it happens, they will buy by themselves. But it's a fact. It's a fact. So we dump it not just because on Atom to 1 cent, it's just manipulation. Maybe it's manipulation, we can't know. But how it even possible? So we dump to 1 cent and no one add the huge amount of USDT to buy the Atom. Maybe nobody wanted. That's why I don't understand why do people complain only about Binance. Other exchanges dump it the same way. I don't want to buy now Avalanche. I'm full with my spot position. So maybe I will open a long position with the futures if we will drop to $20.51. You know, this one in November. If not, and we hold the line here, I will try to open longs around here. Yes, it sounds like unlogical, right? But for me personally, we need to hold the line over then monthly open, monthly high, you know, to see the confirmation, because we leave the huge weak candle and we get all chances to drop again from $19.84 to $12.51 to test a 18 level by FIB again. And if we will not drop now, I will be more than happy to see something like this one, some consolidation, and in this area, maybe I will try open longs. Now for me, it's kind of risky. No, yes, of course, we can try carry the knives like this one. Stop loss under this week, it's 8%. So with second leverage, it can be 16% stop loss with potential gains to yearly open. It's 80, so 16 against 160. Basically makes sense. And also definitely I'm more than sure we will test 0.5 level by FIB, 100% profit from now, test this downtrend line. And I'm more than sure we will break this downtrend line. So this was a monthly low, previous monthly open. So we need to test it. Monthly open, monthly high, and yearly open. And we need to sweep this high of September 2022. It's kind of weird, you know, this picture, it's our full year. So we open the year and trade just in range like 35, And if we cut this erase this week, 35.14. Imagine, almost full year we trade just in this range. It's ridiculous. And this week it looks like we just grab all liquidity, bounce, and I just trying to find the logic. I guess there's no logic for what? To dump the price again, lower than this low, and close the monthly gap what we leave it here in January 21? I don't think so. I think we will come back to this block later in the next bear market. Maybe we'll never drop it back to this area. That's why, guys, a global plan is relevant. So definitely we will test 0.5 level FIP. It's a $40. It's just my personal opinion. After that, 85, 125, and 166. So this is it. And it's not a crazy gains, right? It's just 700% on the spot. Of course, this is not what we're looking for from the altcoins, but we need to reduce our expectation this cycle. So zone for futures position is here, or when we confirm the recover move. All right, take a look there. Daily time frame, guys. This is previous monthly open. So now we trade like, in tiny range between the Monday high, weekly open, previous weekly open, and Monday low. So just once again, we trade 10 days just in a $21, $18. So $3 range, just 10 days, $3 range. Also weird. That's why I hope, of course, guys, we will not drop like this one, because the BTC, if you open the BTC chart, for example, and compare two tokens after this flash crash, BTC dump it here, can trade it. This is a 116 and trade now here. So AVAX just trade in the range. That's why the best case, of course, if we go higher from now, and I missed my opportunity to hop in, but I will be more than happy. So take a look the ADZ. On the daily, it's middle, so it's not bullish, not bearish, it's just neutral. Neutral also on direction indicator. Weekly time frame, what I don't like, that's why I told you we can drop to this block, for example, in the first week of November, because here was accumulation. Now we're just in the middle. That's it. Direction, we just over the middle line, no signal to buy. Time to buy was here. Time to buy was here in the summer 2025. But I hope all market will recover back. Because yes, guys, this cycle on hard mode, definitely on the hard mode. Market's mood, it's disbelief. It's disbelief and daily time frame in the crazy, ridiculous capitulation zone. Last time in the capitulation zone, we traded here in June at 16, and we pump it to 35. So at least 100% we can expect it, right? So it's more than real to see. Money power indicator, guys, no money inflow yet. That's why I wish to see the drop, and some money inflow, or sideways with the money inflow and skyrocket to $40 to 0.5 level by fee. A weekly time frame, I think we will drop lower a little bit. That's why I'll be not surprised if the first week of November will be red. And trade on, guys. Here was a sell, buy back, no signal to buy back yet. Daily time frame, it's good. So we saw the signal to sell. Kind of interesting because we saw it at September 20, and kind of interesting, right? So why we have exactly a 38 level by FIP signal to sell. Now we get a signal to take profit, buy. I wish to see the test of $12.51 and reversal move. 12 time frame, just buy and recommendation close position. No signal to buy yet. No money inflow. It's kind of weird. The last indicator is most interesting for me personally. Take profit. Buy line 17.59, fundamental value it's at 13.12. Take profit 34.88, 39.36. It's exit line. Daily time frame, it's 17.07, $17.12 for example. Fundamental value it's around 12.83. It's hard to say, guys, are we dropped to the fundamental value, but at least we can test the buy line. So today is the third day. So I'll be not surprised if by end of this week, we will see something like this. This is it. The weekly time frame, we underrated. Yes, that's why I hope, you know, we will see the major altcoin season. At least, like, you know, I'm not expect like thousands percent. No, 500, 300, it will be more than enough. That's why, guys, build a plan after 100%, withdraw your initial deposit and forget about the tokens. So here we hold the line at the buy line on the weekly. And yes, definitely the weekly is more important than daily. So 1980, it's a test of the buy line. Take profit is 38.89. Exit line, exactly a test of the downtrend line. That's why I hope, guys, for my futures position, of course, I hope we're gonna dump to 12.51, but better I skip my futures position and we move higher in November from now. So Fats yesterday cut the rates. I don't know why of course we know because everything pre-planned before. We dump it on the BTC as the United States make a deal with China and we still dump it. It's kind of weird, right? That's why, guys, I hope and let's pray so the November, December, January will be green for the altcoins. And everything possible because you saw the Zcash, just one green candle erase all 4 years downtrend. That's why, guys, everything possible in crypto. I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment with your thoughts about AVAX. If you'd like to trade with my customer service showed in this video, just write me the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.